Do you feel like you're always chasing after financial stability, but never quite getting there? What if I told you that achieving financial peace of mind doesn't require constant monitoring, stress, or sacrificing your happiness? In 2026, the key to financial stability is not just about saving pennies or being frugal. It's about designing systems that let your wealth grow while you live your life. In today's video, we'll walk you through 8 smart strategies that allow you to build lasting financial stability without stress. Stick around, and let's dive into how you can achieve financial peace of mind in a way that works for you. 1. The buffer month baseline. Living paycheck to paycheck can feel like you're constantly on edge, never knowing exactly how you'll pay your bills. The solution? The buffer month baseline. By saving just 1 month's worth of expenses and keeping it in your checking account, you can eliminate the timing stress that often comes with managing bills. When you have a full month's worth of expenses saved, you can use last month's income to cover this month's bills. This method ensures that you're never scrambling to make payments, and it allows you to breathe easier knowing your basic expenses are already covered. You don't have to worry about the unpredictable timing of your paycheck, or be concerned that bills will arrive before your next paycheck hits. The peace of mind that comes from this buffer is priceless, especially in a world where financial stress is all too common. Having this safety net removes the constant worry of, will my paycheck be enough? And replaces it with the freedom to manage your money with confidence. It gives you the room to deal with life's uncertainties, whether it's unexpected medical bills, car repairs, or any other surprise expenses, without throwing your finances off course. Additionally, once you have your buffer month in place, you can start focusing on other financial goals, such as saving for long-term goals or building an emergency fund. This strategy is a simple, effective way to break free from paycheck-to-paycheck living and start building a more secure financial future. 2. Automated escrow for life. Have you ever been hit with an unexpected bill, like car registration or insurance renewals, that throws your budget completely off track? One of the biggest stressors in managing money is the surprise expense. But what if you could plan for these non-monthly costs without the stress? With the automated escrow for life system, you take all those surprise expenses, total them up, and divide the amount by 12. Each month, an automatic transfer deposits that amount into a separate savings account labeled non-monthly bills. When the bill arrives, the money is already sitting there, ready to be used. This approach ensures that your budget isn't derailed by surprise costs, and it removes the financial stress of trying to find extra money when you least expect it. It's a simple system that helps you stay in control, knowing that your savings are growing, not shrinking, with each month that passes. 3. The set and forget index strategy. For many, trying to beat the market or pick individual stocks can be emotionally draining. It requires constant attention and can lead to high stress, especially when market fluctuations make you second-guess your investments. The set and forget index strategy provides a stress-free alternative. Instead of stressing over market movements or individual stock picks, you simply invest in a low-cost total market index fund or a target date fund. These funds track the performance of the entire market, offering long-term returns that align with a historical average of 7 to 10% per year. By setting your investment and walking away, you take the emotion out of your financial decisions. No more checking stock prices every day or panicking during market downturns. This approach allows you to trust the process, knowing that your money will grow over time with minimal effort on your part. With this strategy, you're setting yourself up for long-term financial growth without the stress of active management. 4. Decision-free thresholds. One of the most significant sources of financial stress is decision fatigue. Constantly asking yourself, can I afford this? Leads to mental exhaustion, making financial management feel like a constant battle. To avoid this, consider setting a no-questions-asked limit. This is a spending threshold below which you make purchases without hesitation or guilt. For example, you might set a $50 threshold. If something costs $50 or less, you buy it without second-guessing. For purchases above that amount, implement a 48-hour waiting period. This system eliminates the need for constant decision-making and gives you a break from the mental strain that comes with managing every small purchase. It's a simple yet powerful way to reduce stress and make your spending decisions easier, ensuring that financial management feels less like a chore and more like a well-structured habit. 5. The income floor insurance. Life is unpredictable, and sometimes the worst can happen, like losing your job or facing an unexpected financial crisis. But true financial stability comes from knowing that your basic needs will be covered no matter what. The income floor system is designed to act as your financial safety net. The first step is to build an emergency fund that covers 3 to 6 months of living expenses and place it in a high-yield savings account, HYSA. This fund becomes your income floor, ensuring that even if you lose your job, your basic needs like rent, food, and utilities are covered. Having this cushion acts like financial armor, making potential job losses or unexpected life changes much less stressful. Instead of panicking, you can focus on finding new opportunities or transitioning to a new job without worrying about how you'll pay for basic necessities. The peace of mind that comes from knowing your income floor is solid allows you to face financial challenges with resilience. 6. Lifestyle lag implementation. When you get a raise or a bonus, what's the first thing most people do? They immediately start upgrading their lifestyle, new gadgets, better dining experiences, or more expensive vacations. But this lifestyle inflation can undermine your financial stability and prevent you from building long-term wealth. Instead of increasing your spending when your income rises, implement the lifestyle lag system. When you get a raise, don't immediately change your lifestyle. Instead, divert that entire raise into savings or debt repayment automatically. By keeping your lifestyle the same for at least 6 months after a raise, you'll see that your financial situation improves without the emotional temptation to spend. Since you won't see the extra money in your checking account, you won't feel the urge to spend it. This strategy allows you to accumulate wealth faster and maintain your financial stability without the stress of living paycheck to paycheck. 7. Consolidate orphan accounts. One of the biggest stressors in managing finances is complexity. If you have multiple bank accounts, old 401(k)s, and a variety of credit cards, it can be hard to get a clear picture of your financial situation. This complexity can lead to unnecessary stress and confusion when trying to manage your wealth. The solution? Consolidate your orphan accounts. Start by rolling over old retirement accounts into a single rollover IRA and close any unused bank accounts. This simple step reduces administrative work and provides you with a clearer, more manageable overview of your net worth. When everything is in one place, you only have to log in once to see your financial picture, making it easier to track your progress and stay on top of your finances. Simplifying your financial setup eliminates stress and ensures you spend less time managing and more time enjoying your life. 8. The Guilt-Free Joy Fund. Finally, budgeting often feels like a restrictive diet, a constant battle of saying no to things you want. This can lead to burnout and frustration, causing many people to give up on their financial goals entirely. The Guilt-Free Joy Fund is designed to eliminate that feeling of deprivation. The idea is simple. Allocate a specific percentage of your income, say 5-10%, to a splurge account. This money is reserved exclusively for fun, leisure, or any indulgences that bring you joy. By giving yourself permission to spend without guilt, you eliminate the financial stress that often leads to giving up on your budget. This system makes budgeting feel less like a restriction and more like a balanced, enjoyable approach to managing your money. And there you have it, 8 simple yet effective strategies to build financial stability without the stress. These methods are designed to work in the background, so you can focus on what really matters, living your life. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with anyone who could use a stress-free financial system, and subscribe for more tips on how to build a secure financial future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.